Ian here from Lean Media. I have a really cool hack to show you for Amazon Canada listings using the Amazon Canada website. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is one of my listings on Amazon Canada. The US listing has A+ content on it. The Canada listing doesn't have anything on it. So I want to create A+ content on this particular listing. If I go to Amazon Canada and go to the A+ content manager, you'll see that there's nothing there. There's no listings there, even though Amazon Canada is prompting me to add or update existing A+ content. Here's how to quickly create the content without having to manually do it from scratch, which would take a long time for all the listings that I have. See this checkbox here, show auto-created content? Just check that off. And you can see immediately all of these A+ content was copied from the US. Note that it's in draft status, so I'd have to open this up and go through the process of submitting it using these buttons. I have other videos about that. So that's how you get your A+ content automatically copied over to the Amazon Canada listing. And just keep in mind, if you're doing premium A+ content, even if you have it activated on the US site, you still need to go through the steps to get it approved on the Canadian site by having normal standard A+ content approved first. I think it's 15 listings, and then they'll let you do premium A+ content. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official blog, click on blog or video. I have tons more free content just that explains how to use Amazon FBA, how to navigate all of these different Amazon programs, as well as Shopify and other e-commerce tools. This is Ian. Thank you so much for watching.